So again, in this video we'll be seeing how to enumerate users based upon the message we get during the sign up. So this is a normal login page. Let's go and try for admin and admin. Now click on login and you see the message invalid username or password combination. So we cannot deduce whether the username or password is incorrect. So there is a sign up page. Let's click on sign up and I'm going to sign up a new user, that is name is admin, and password, put password. So the username is admin and the password is password. So now click on sign up and you can see account with this username already exists. So that means admin user already exists. So now you can go to the login page and you can brute force the admin password. So now we will be brute forcing this page to find other usernames as well. So let's try again admin. Now let's capture the request in burp suite and let's click on sign up and now send this to repeater. Now we need to brute force this one, right? So copy the URL and let's first use fuff and then we will be using Python to automate this. Fuff URL and we need to send the data. Also the request is the post type. We need to send the data. So what parameter we need to brute force? That is this username parameter fuzz, and the word list is I am using word list names.txt. Okay, you can download this names.txt from SignUp GitHub. Now what we need to filter for the regular expression, or we need to match the regular expression. What is the text and account with this username already exists. So let's grab username already exists. So whenever there is a response with the text containing username already exists, so that means that word list that word in the word list is the user contain. Now if you hit enter, so it's gonna take a while. Maybe we are doing something wrong. Okay, we did not get anything. Post request URL and the data is data. Okay, we need to set this content type, otherwise it's not gonna work. So put the headers as, copy and paste this header. So you need to send this as a form, so that's why. And you can see we have few usernames. Okay, these are the usernames. You can go ahead and try to, let's try this one, co-op. So let's try to sign up and it still says username already exists. So that means this user is already exists. So let me stop here. So we got some usernames. You can go and try to brute force the passwords. So now let's go and write the Python script for automate this. Let's call this as existing username.py. So let's import requests and URL, and data is equals to username is this one. We need to brute force this. Email and password is password, and C password, that is for confirm password. It's a password. So this is the data we need to send, and there is one header file, sorry, header, request header. So let's copy this. Headers is equals to so these are the headers, and we need to get the content right. So file descriptor, open of names.txt, and open this in the read mode, and let's say words is equals to fd.read. After that we can simply close the file. So we get the whole content as a single word. We need to split those names according to the new line. So let's say usernames is equals to words.split of new line. So after the splitting, what you need to do is we need to convert this into list so that we can iterate easily. So now what I'm going to do is, for I in usernames, so select all this content and press tab, and I'm going to iterate here. So for each request we are sending the data as username colon I. R is equal to request dot post of URL comma data is equals to data, and headers is equals to headers. Now if already exists in r.text, so r.text is the response, then what we are going to do is we are simply printing the username. I think this should do it for us. So let's go and run this. I think we are getting some false positives. Post customer sign up. So let's say username. So let's print few responses and see what we are getting. So okay, I have resetted the box. So I think we should now get the correct results. Let's also try with the FUF. Okay, I don't know why we are getting these many false positives, but we have done correctly. So once you guys give it a try on other websites, so you should get fine about these usernames. So for this vulnerable machine we are getting so many false positives, but you give it a try on other website.